Imagine this. Your eyes, once vibrant and sharp, now feel heavy, dry, and tired. You blink, but it doesn't help. The screen in front of you seems to pull you deeper into its glow, and you can't look away. What's happening? Why does your vision feel like it's slipping away? Today, we uncover the dark truth about screens and their hidden toll on your eyes. But don't worry, there's a way out. Stay tuned to discover how to protect your eyes before it's too late. Hit that subscribe button now to save your vision. Every day begins the same way for millions of people around the world. The alarm blares, and instead of stretching or stepping outside, the first thing they see is a glowing rectangle. Phones, tablets, laptops, screens dominate our lives, from morning routines to late-night scrolling. It's not just convenience, it's an addiction. And while technology connects us, entertains us, and makes life easier, it comes with a price tag we rarely think about until it's too late. Our eyes weren't designed for this kind of marathon. For hours on end, we stare at screens, often without blinking as much as we should. Blinking is essential. It keeps our eyes moist by spreading tears across the surface. But when we're focused on screens, our blink rate drops significantly. This leads to dryness, irritation, and that all-too-familiar gritty feeling. Over time, these symptoms compound, leading to what experts call digital eye strain or computer vision syndrome. But dry eyes are only part of the problem. Screens emit blue light, a high-energy visible light that penetrates deep into the eye. While research is ongoing, studies suggest prolonged exposure to blue light may contribute to retinal damage and even disrupt sleep patterns. Ever wondered why you toss and turn after binge-watching your favorite show? Blue light tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime, suppressing melatonin production and leaving you wide awake when you should be resting. And then there's posture. Slouching over a laptop or craning your neck to read your phone forces your eyes to work harder. Poor ergonomics exacerbate eye strain, creating tension headaches and neck pain. It's a vicious cycle. A screen-centric lifestyle feeds into physical discomfort, which in turn makes focusing on screens even more taxing. Yet, despite these warnings, most of us continue down this path. We tell ourselves it's temporary, that we'll take breaks later, or that our eyes will adjust. But adaptation has limits. Without intervention, the consequences could become irreversible. Imagine waking up one day and realizing something feels off. Colors seem duller, text blurrier, and everything requires extra effort to focus. At first, you dismiss it as fatigue, but the symptoms persist. A visit to the optometrist confirms your worst fear. Your eyes have changed. Maybe you need glasses now, or perhaps you've developed chronic dry eye syndrome. Either way, the realization hits hard. You've been neglecting your eyes for far too long. This scenario isn't hypothetical. It's becoming increasingly common. Children, teenagers, adults, all demographics are affected. Kids who spend hours gaming or watching videos develop nearsightedness at younger ages than ever before. Adults working desk jobs find themselves squinting at spreadsheets, rubbing their temples during Zoom calls, and reaching for artificial tears multiple times a day. Even retirees aren't immune. Streaming services and social media apps keep them glued to screens just like everyone else. What's most alarming is how insidious the damage can be. Unlike a broken bone or a bruise, eye strain doesn't announce itself dramatically. Instead, it creeps in slowly, manifesting as minor annoyances that grow worse over time. By the time you notice, reversing the effects becomes challenging. But here's the good news. Awareness is half the battle. Understanding the risks empowers you to take action. Simple changes can make a world of difference. Adjusting your workspace, for example, ensures proper lighting and reduces glare. Positioning your monitor at eye level prevents unnecessary strain. Using blue light blocking glasses or enabling night mode on devices minimizes exposure to harmful wavelengths. These small steps add up, protecting your eyes from further harm. Still, prevention goes beyond tweaks to your environment. It's about mindset. Are you willing to prioritize your health over fleeting entertainment? Can you resist the urge to check notifications every 5 minutes? The choice is yours, but remember, your eyes won't wait forever. So, how do you break free from the grip of screens? The answer lies in balance. Technology isn't inherently evil, it's how we use it that matters. Start by setting boundaries. Dedicate specific times for screen use and stick to them. Encourage family members to join you in screen-free activities, whether it's reading a book, going for a walk, or simply talking face-to-face. Connection doesn't always require Wi-Fi. Taking regular breaks is another crucial step. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for at least 20 seconds. This gives your eyes a chance to reset and refocus. Pair this with conscious blinking exercises to combat dryness. Close your eyes tightly for 2 seconds, then open them fully. Repeat this 10 times throughout the day. It's simple, effective, and takes almost no time. Hydration plays a role too. Drinking plenty of water supports tear production, keeping your eyes lubricated naturally. Combine this with a diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins A, C, and E, and you're giving your eyes the nutrients they need to thrive. Leafy greens, carrots, citrus fruits, and fish are excellent choices. For those who rely heavily on screens for work, consider investing in tools that reduce strain. Anti-glare screen protectors, ergonomic chairs, and adjustable desks can transform your workspace into a haven for healthy habits. Some companies even offer software that reminds users to take breaks or dim screens during certain hours. Explore these options, they're worth it. Finally, schedule regular eye exams. Early detection of issues allows for timely treatment, preventing minor problems from escalating into major ones. Think of it as maintenance for your most valuable asset, your vision. By making these changes, you reclaim control over your life. Screens lose their power to dictate your well-being, and you rediscover the joy of seeing clearly, literally, and figuratively. Your eyes are irreplaceable. Protect them today so they can serve you tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips on living smarter and healthier. Together, let's build a future where technology enhances our lives without compromising our health. See you in the next video.